Hey, Noah. What you doing?
Are you eating pizza
You
yet?
some pizza? Oh, pasta.
The gap now. All right, take you back to 1982 when Mr. Brian Setzer decided to turn the world on fire with some old school rockabilly guitar.
Backing on a straight cat sitting on a fence. Ain't got enough dough to pay the rent. I'm flat broke, but I don't care. I strut right by with my tail in the air. Straight cat strutting, I'm a lady's cat. I'm a feeling Casanova. Hey man, I sat. I get a shit thrown at me from a mean old man. I get my dinner from a garbage can. Meow. They'll cross my back. I don't bother chasing mice around. Whoa, no. I sink down the alley looking for a fight. Out to the women on a hot summer night, singing the blues while the lady cat strut. That stray cat, you're a real gone guy. I wish I could be as carefree and wild, because I got cat class and I got cat style. I don't bother chasing mice around. Well, no, I sink down the alley looking for a fight. Out to the women on a hot summer night, singing the blues while the lady cats cry. That stray cat, you're a real gone guy. I wish I could be as carefree and wild, because I got cat class and I got cat style.
Good job there, Brian Jr.
Thank you. I got a long way to go to catch Brian Setzer, man.
Am I getting put on this or you getting put on this? I know what I'm doing. I'm a